For the precision, fridge or freezer's parameters access, we just enter there from the bottom and press down arrow, and from the SD there's the parameters with access, then the code is 990 with access again, to get the parameters. So basically the parameters are controlling the parameters. We need to read like